Welcome to ReShoot 360 tutorials. Today, we will see the photo filter Little Planet. Before starting, select a 360 photo or a 360 video you would like to edit. Now, select the preset photo. Then, select the type of social network you target. For example, select the preset Instagram. Now, select the photo filter Little Planet. Here, you see a preview of your final photo and you can modify some parameters of the filter. Each parameter can be modified with the slider and more precisely with buttons plus and minus. Rotation parameter changes the rotation of the little planet. Zoom parameter changes the zoom applied on the little planet. Now you can export the final photo. Use the button in the top right corner. Your photo is now saved on your device in the album ReShoot 360. You will find even more options to edit your 360 content in the editor. Thank you for watching and have a good day.